I'm sorry, we got it. The microphone's over here. Yeah, just raise your hand and the monitor will supply the microphone.
Thank you. Howard Winston from Cincinnati, Ohio. One question. Are you concerned about the rising valuations on the NASDAQ market where companies trade at multiples of revenues instead of multiples of earnings?
The rising value of what did you say?
The NASDAQ market.
Oh.
Where they traded 10 times revenues or more, 30 times revenues instead of 10 times earnings.
Yeah. Well, we don't pay much attention to that because throughout the careers Charlie and I have had in investing, there have always been hundreds of cases or thousands of cases of things that are ridiculously priced and phony stock promotions and the gullible being led into to believe in things that just can't come true. So that's always gone on and always will go on, and it doesn't make any difference to us. I mean, we are not trying to predict markets. We never will try and predict markets. We're trying to find wonderful businesses, and the fact that a part of the market is kind of screwy, that's unimportant to us. We tried a few times shorting some of those things in our innocence of youth, and it's very tough to make money shorting even the obvious frauds, and there are some obvious frauds. It really is. It's not so tough to find the obvious frauds, and it's not tough to be right over 10 years. But it's very tough to make money being short them. Although we tried a few times way back. We don't look at indicia from stocks in general or from PEs or price sales ratios or what other things are doing. We really just focus on businesses. We don't care if there's a stock market. I mean, would we want to own Coca-Cola, the 8% we own of Coca-Cola, the 11% of Gillette, if they said we're just going to delist the stock and we're never going to, we'll open it again in 20 years. It's fine with us, and then if it goes down on the news, we'll buy more of it. So we care about what the business does. Yeah.